Following the success of last year's event, once again, we brought together stakeholders to spotlight the positive impact of worker well-being initiatives in supply chains.
This year, we brought together over 100 stakeholders, including workers, factory management, representatives from brands and intergovernmental organizations such as UNICEF.
Together, in Shenzhen, China, we discussed the importance of promoting worker well-being in the global supply chain.
With leading programs such as the Worker Helpline Service, Gender Equality and Family-Friendly Factory Program, the event shared the wide-reaching impacts of these initiatives.
From reuniting families and enabling dual income to improve worker retention and even cost savings for factory management.
The benefits of creating happier, healthier workplaces and the value of promoting the well-being of workers are clear.
Now we invite you to join us in spreading these impacts to your workforce.
Join us in 2026 and beyond as we continue to scale these programs and positively impact over 1 million families. Together, we can create a better life for workers worldwide.